Hello and welcome to this short little tutorial on how to post to a WordPress blog. If you are posting at the Ducky Travels website that is hosted for our students in second grade at Riceville Community Schools, I want to thank you very much for helping us with this project. This is the 6th year, I believe, that this project has been going on, and it's been a very successful project, and this is the first year that we are going to be doing it with a blog like this, so we want to thank you very much for your participation in the Ducky Travels project for our second graders. All right, so when you received your duck, however you received it, there should have been some information about logging into a website to be able to post. And this is the website that you need to come to be able to post your stuff on there for the Ducky website. So when you go to log in, it's right here on the right hand side underneath the words meta, right down here. What you're looking for is you're looking for the word login. So if you just go ahead and click on that, and it'll take you to the WordPress login screen. And you have, each Ducky has their own username and password. And that'll be on the information that you receive with Ducky. So you just enter that information in here, and then you click on login. Then once you've logged in, you're taken to the dashboard. And this is the dashboard right here. Now, hopefully when you're posting on the website, and you don't have to, but hopefully you have some pictures of Ducky doing some, Ducky doing some things around your neighborhood or traveling along with you in some way, shape, or form. But if you don't, that's all right. But when you log in to post on here, over here on the left-hand side is where all the controls are for the dashboard. You have posts, media, and comments. The two things that you're going to be concerned with are posts and media. Post is where you're going to actually write your content, type it in for whatever you want to write about for Ducky. And media is if you are going to be uploading pictures that you want to paste into your post that you put on there. So I'm going to show you how to create a new post here. Pretty simple to do, obviously. You just go over here and I just clicked on post and go back, right? Okay. You just come over here and you click on this down arrow beside post. When you click on that, it opens up two options. You can go and look at the posts that are already there, but what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to click on add new. So you go ahead and click on add new. And this is the post interface with the title right up here on the top. And then you have the rich text editor right here for those of you that are HTML coders. There's also the HTML option where you can do this all with HTML code, but otherwise you can just do it visual. This is basically what you type in here is how it's going to look on the web page. So what you would do is you would click inside this box here, and you can see you have basic formatting options across the top. But you just click inside this box and then you would type your text. I happen to have copied some text to document. I'm just going to copy that and I'm going to paste it into my box here. Maybe. There we go. Okay. So there is my text. So let's just pretend this is something that I just typed. And you can adjust this box over here in the bottom right hand side. It's kind of hard to see, but it's over there. You can actually adjust it so it's a little bit bigger, a little easier for you to see. Excuse me. Now, if you wanted to add some pictures to your post, what you're looking for is right here where it says upload insert, and it's this first box where it says add an image. If I click on that, and this is going to open up the media library for me. And if you just have the pictures on your computer somewhere, you can actually choose to upload your pictures right here. Or if you've already uploaded them through the media over here on the left hand side, you can actually, they're already hosted on the media library. I'm going to show you how to upload one. So I'm going to click on select files. And then it's going to, by default on an Apple computer, it's going to go right to your iPhoto or your photos folder. On PCs and maybe a little bit different. What I'm going to do is I'm just going to choose the iTunes logo here, and I'm going to select that. And what it'll do is it'll upload it. It'll compress it and then optimize it for web use. And then from here you can change the title of it if you want. You don't necessarily have to. And you can also change about how it's going to be put into your post. If you want, you can edit your image by clicking on that edit button. You can actually change the size of it. You can actually scale the image down. So if you wanted to make the image by default a little bit smaller, and what this does is it makes it so the picture is not quite as big when on the website. So you don't necessarily have to, but if you have one that's 2500 by 1400, you might want to reduce that down to size of maybe 10,000 by whatever it automatically changes it to. So I'm going to scale that down, and then it makes the picture just a little bit smaller, so it'll load just a little bit faster. And then I'm going to insert it as a thumbnail on my page. And then when I get that done, I'm going to click on Insert into Post, and there it has inserted it right there into my post. Now I can click and I can drag and move this thing around so it'll go into my post a little bit differently each time. You know, if you look in the background, you can see where the arrow line or the line that lines up, so that way when I put it in my post, it's going to where it's going to fall in between the letters. Now you'll notice that it's kind of the alignment of it kind of throws my paragraph off, so I'm not necessarily very happy with that. So I may want to change the way it looks. So what I can do then is I can click on the picture to select it, and then you have an option to delete it, or you can go in and edit the picture. Now when I get in here, I'm going to choose to have it actually how it's going to align in my text, and typically you're going to want to do either left or right, because you can see how it will nicely have the text wrap around it, where if I do a center, it will just put it right above the text, where if I do none, it puts it to the left. So I'm going to put this one at left, and then I'm going to update my changes. Oops. And now you can see how nicely it just kind of fits right into my text there. So I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to put another picture right up here. And this time I'm just going to click on the Upload Insert button, and this time I'm going to get it from the media library. And I do have a picture from a ducky that I'm going to put in there. And this time I'm going to choose to put it on the right. And then from there, I'm going to insert it into post. And now you can see I have ducky put in there nice and clean. So that's basically how you put your pictures in there. If you just want to put all your pictures at the bottom, that's fine. But when you get done, the key to all this is when you get done putting all your information in, is to come over here to the right hand side and click on this publish button. If you do not click on publish, it will not post and be available for people to view. So I'm going to click on publish, and once it does that, it'll tell you right up here on top that the post is published. And if I want to view it, I'm going to click on view to go view post, and then it'll actually take you to the page that it is on the website. So there it is, my text and then the actual post itself. So that is how you post to a WordPress blog for the Ducky Travels. If you have any questions, there is an email contact link underneath the how to post at the Ducky website right here under number 1, email or support. Just click on that and you'll email me directly. Otherwise, that's basically it for posting here. I want to thank you very much again for participating in our Ducky project, and thank you very much for watching.